Six Sigma.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session of Lean Six Sigma with AI. So now, what is generative AI? So अगर आप देखो तो ये लेयर है. Generative AI उसका core part है. Machine learning that creates the algorithm that learn from the data to make prediction. So आपका जो data का trend है उस पर से you are predicting the outcome, predicting for the future. Deep learning, that these are the neural networks enabling complex pattern learning. So ये जो है वो पैटर्न बनाता है और ये डीप लर्निंग मीन्स उस पैटर्न को स्टडी करके उसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन निकालना. एंड जनरेटिव एआई, इट इज लाइक रिप्रेजेंटिंग दिस डेटा इन ह्यूमन लाइक कंटेंट. तो हम जो देखते हैं, हम जो यूज करते हैं, हम इस लेवल पे बात करते हैं जनरेटिव एआई, और उसको ही हम टच करेंगे इन अवर लीन सिक्स सिग्मा के प्रोग्राम में. So power tools like ChatGPT, image generators, and then code assistant, setting most of the specialized layer of the AI ecosystem. Now getting into the next one, methodology versus machine. AI is the machine and LSS is about methodology. So what exactly it is? Let us understand this. So LSS में हम structured problem solving सीखते हैं. हम कॉन्टेक्सचुअल जजमेंट को अप्लाई करते हैं और कल्चरल चेंज की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं. एंड आरओआई पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं कि अगर मैंने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया तो कितना बेनिफिट आई विल बी गेटिंग. What is the productivity I will be getting? What is the quality? What is the cost I will be able to reduce it? What is the quality I will be able to improve? What is the delivery timeline I will be able to reduce? So the P, Q, C, D, S इस पे बात करते हैं. एंड इट इज टाइम इंटेंसिव. तो जनरल ऐसा माना जाता है कि अगर आपका लीन सिक्स सिग्मा ग्रीन बेल्ट का प्रोजेक्ट 3 महीने में खत्म नहीं होता है तो वो सालों साल खत्म नहीं होगा. राइट. सो द स्कोप वी डिफाइन एंड इट इज मोर काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन and getting into the root cause analysis and why and getting into the predictive causes which is impacting on our output. While if you see AI learns from the data pattern. So whatever data you are having, you just give it to AI and scale instantly and process at machine speed and handles massive data volume and that is what the helping us for the contextual judgment. Okay, so these are two different pathways. These are two different roadmaps. So whether how they're connected with each other. So let us try to look at it as well. So if we talk about face-off of LSS and AI, these are the two powerful approach. वो performance improvement के लिए we are using it. One is born from human discipline, and the other is the machine intelligence. So, how they have stack up, how they are connected with each other. So, should we use it? Should we not? Should not we use it or what? So, if we check the head-to-head comparison between both of them, so of course, Lean Six Sigma is structure method for the process improvement, while artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data-driven decision making. टूल्स, अगर टूल्स की बात करें, डीमैक, कंट्रोल चार्ट्स, वैल्यू स्ट्रीम मैपिंग, root cause analysis. I'm sure many of you are aware about it. What about AI? So AI uses neural networks, NLP, predictive models and automation. So ये हमको पता है, लेकिन इसको हमको जानना है. अगर हम उसको नहीं जानेंगे तो यहाँ पे इसको कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, that awareness would not come. And therefore, if you're knowing either of them, that is not sufficient. And therefore, I'm putting them on side by side. Focus is to eliminate waste, reduce defects, improve consistency. While artificial intelligence is pattern recognition, prediction, and automation at this scale. So you are identifying the waste, but which kind of waste? So the pattern recognition is being done by artificial intelligence. If you're talking about advantage, it is the cultural change. Ideally, we would LSS is being used for the cultural change and for the ROI. While artificial intelligence, of course, we need cultural change and we need speed, scalability, and handles massive data volumes, the minute data. And sometimes what is happening in LSS, we are making certain predictions, making certain assumptions, and probably the assumed data is getting wrong and our project gets failed. Many times I have seen that project gets failed because we are not having the data or we cannot able to validate the cause and we cannot able to generate the data. and AI helps there, and it helps us to get the data and to validate it also with its intelligence, with its pattern recognition capability, and it can predict it for us. The key weakness, time intensive, requires trained practitioners, and here artificial intelligence need quality data, lacks contextual judgment, and black box risk. So black box मतलब कोई गलती डेटा, गलती एनालिसिस इन्फरेंस जो आ गया, so that is the risk we are having. So, but if you check here, the data requirement is there. Many times into the, let's say, we are saying we will be doing digitization or we are going to use AI. But if we are not having the data, then probably we cannot able to take the decision. Similarly, in Lean Six Sigma also, if you are not having the data, we cannot create the outcomes. Here we cannot create the pattern. We cannot create the trend. So data is very, very important. And data is all about documenting whatever activities we are doing. Ideal use case is complex process redesign, quality improvement and compliance, high volume data task, real-time decisions, and personalization. Now, if we see the efficiency between these two, LSS is high quality and consistency across all processes, reduce waste and data-driven decision making, while AI is the faster automation of repetitive and high volume tasks and improved personalization at scale using predictive models and enhance predictive capabilities and enabling proactive decisions. So if you ask me or if I give my opinion, LSS, to start with LSS and to make it effective, make it scalable, and for the horizontal deployment, from the learning of one pilot project of LSS, you can utilize AI to for the horizontal deployment or make it scalable or to apply it across the company, and that is what we need to learn. So, anyways, you cannot say that I will be using AI tomorrow and LSS is not required. LSS is for the speed and process, reducing the process variation. Anyways, human intervention is required, as we discussed earlier.